Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of the facial roller. Now I know you all know the advantages of the roller, which is boosting blood circulation, maximizing product absorption, relieving facial stress, promoting lymphatic drainage, tightening the skin, reducing puffiness, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, so on and so forth. But are you using your roller correctly? You always roll out and down, up, side, under the ear, and drain. But first, let's know about the important lymphatic points. Here at the clavicle, under the ear, sides of the chin, here just at the starting of the ear, sides of the nose where your sinus is, and I personally love massaging this point at the beginning of any sort of lymphatic drainage. Let's start with the routine. 2 fingers, clavicle, gently pump. You can even do small circles. Gently tap above your collarbone, all the way to the back of your neck and the front. So follow along with you guys. Under the ears, gently pump. Small circles, and you can even come down. Four or 5 pumps, gentle circles, come all the way down. Sides of the nose, gentle pump, circles clock, anti-clock. Open your mouth slightly, and if you feel any sort of tension here, press a little more. This should relieve a lot of jaw tension. Third eye, small circular motion, gentle sweep bumps. Now with the roller, we're going to be doing 3 to 5 strokes at each point, and we're going to be repeating on the other side, but you can do 8 to 10 strokes as well. Let's go under the ear. Very gently. 1, 2, 3, slightly out. 1, 2, 3, slightly out. 1, 2, 3. Other side, under the ear. 1, 2, 3, slightly out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very gently under the chin, down to the chest. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. The jawline. 1, 2, 3, and drain. 1, 2, 3, and drain. 1, 2, 3, and drain. Other side. 1, 2, 3, and drain. 1, 2, 3, and drain. 1, 2, 3, and drain. Gently roll below your lower lip, above your upper lip, to completely relax the mouth muscle. Curl your lips, close them tight. We're going to do half out, half out. Burn, 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 up, and drain again. Um, and drain last time. And drain other side. Drain. Drain. And drain. Let's soften those nasolabial folds. Just loosen up the muscle here slightly for a few seconds. Do it the other side. I just love how this feels. Now, up, slide under, drain down. Up, under the cheekbone, drain down. Up, under, down. Up, under, down. Up, under, down. And of course, the other side. Drain. Up, under, drain. Up, under, drain. Out, over, over the cheeks, very gently. Close your eyes. 2, 3, 4, and drain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then drain. The other side. Drain. Up, under, drain. Up, under, drain. Out, over, my favorite, the under eyes. Take the roller, make an O, very gently take the roller above and under your lower lid. Very gently, look up. Other side. Very gently. And out. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drain. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drain. Now, side, 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 side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drain. Other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drain above the brows. This is one of my favorite places. Really relieves the tension. Try to take it all the way to your temples and drain down. You will realize how much you want to use the roller, how many strokes, depending on how you feel that day. Now, this is a small trick I've learned. Drain down. Very gently, feather light touch. Just drain down. Roll down. 2 to 3 times on one side. Very gently, guys. Other side. Feather light touch. Do one more. Up, 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 and drain, 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 drain. Up, 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 train, 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 train. And you are done. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and being here with me today. If you have any comments or questions about this routine, please leave your message in the comment box below and I will respond as soon as possible. Do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. If you want to know about my face yoga courses, please go to my website glowwithpriya.com. See you soon.